Hello guys, so today we're gonna talk how to create and customize a website on Squarespace for a campaign and hiking gears business isn't quick. So as we know, Squarespace is a website building tool that makes it easy for anyone to create their own website without needing to know how to code. It offers templates and tools to help you design and customize your site. So first of all, this is the first page here. You can create your website from here. So you can go start with this see templates. So here you can choose the topic and the type of your business. So the type might be an online store, of course. So uh, the topic of camping and hiking gears isn't here. It might be entertainment, for example. So you can choose one of these templates and start with some templates from here, or if you want to build your own template. So let's get started. Now let's go. Wait a few seconds. So here you can type your business name, type any name for camping and hiking business and hiking gears business. So here you're gonna build your home page section by section, adding as many or as a few sections as you need. So the first section here, the intro section, must be an attractive section. So you have to make it attractive. So you have to try your best to make your website looks better and looks attractive. So you can do anything to make it better. The product section also must be an attractive section. Also the services section, the about section, and the social section, and the forms section, and the last one is the footer section. That's it. Here you have to add page to your site, shop for example. Choose the color palette here, any color you like, and choose the font pairing, any font you like. That's it. Now wait a few seconds, just a few moments or a few seconds. So here you can choose if you wanna continue and describe, add the description and the details about your website, and choose the writing style, or if you wanna skip. I'm gonna skip this. So here, this is your home page right now. You can edit it from here. So the first thing you have to do, change this. So change the text here to introduce your brand. For example, you can type welcome to our site for welcome to our site for campaign and hiking gears, like this. Also here, the text on this label, you can change it. You can change the text on it here. Type for example shop now or wherever you like. The background, you go to the edit to this section here, edit section, and before we go to the background, you can here edit the grid, the row counts, and the gap, and the section in the first screen, the height and the alignments. Now let's move on to the background. So here you can choose, you can select just a simple art, or if you wanna add a video, you can upload a video from YouTube or Vimeo, or image. I'm gonna add an image on the background. Select from library and go to the free image here and search on camping and hiking gears. So you can choose one of these images from here. So for example, you can choose any image to attract to make your site attractive. For example, okay, I'm gonna choose this as a background. That's it. Also, you can here move this section. You can move it down or move it up. You can save this section from here on this heart icon. You can duplicate it. If you want to add something, you just click here, add section. You can add anything you like. Select what kind of sections you want to add here. Also, you can add a blog, text, or button, or video, or image, or whatever you like to add here. What else? You can change the view. You can make it like a mobile view like this, or like a desktop view. That's it. Now let's move on to the site header. So you can change here the site title. You can upload the logo image, upload as a file, or select from library. Also, you can upload the mobile logo image. Now let's move on to the elements. You can turn this on, the button, and change the text on this label here, add the link here or email. You can edit the social links, add the social link or email. You can turn this on, the language switch, and you can also change the style icon. You can change the style if you want. Also, you can edit the desktop section here, the header layout and the width, the vertical padding and the element spacing. And the link spacing. So that's it. So that's it for this part of this business. I'm gonna continue on the second part of this business on the next video. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video on the second part.